you have any idea how much your horse weighs? Looking at my horse here, Timon, this is Timon. If I were to guess, I would say he weighs probably 1,000 pounds, but I don't know for sure. So I thought it would be fun to show you how to weigh your horse. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian, and welcome back. So like I said in the beginning, this is my awesome horse Timon. He is such a cool horse, but I have no idea how much he weighs. I made a guesstimate and said maybe 1,000 pounds, but it is pretty important to know roughly how much your horse weighs, especially this time of year when it comes to things like if you need medication for your horse or different supplements, or especially wormer paste or dewormer paste. So I want to find out how much Timon weighs. Now this is a rough estimate because I don't have a scale in which I can weigh him, but I do have weight tape, and it's actually really easy to weigh your horse with this weight tape. On one side it has measurements, so you can measure how tall your horse is. On the other side it has weight measurements. Pretty cool actually. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to actually weigh your horse using this weight tape. It's a pretty simple process, and let me show you how it's done. Okay, so to weigh Timon, what I'm going to do is take the weight tape and I'm going to put it over his back. Pretty simple, right? So I'm going to have it set right at the end of his withers, and I'm going to have it come up right behind his front leg in the elbow area. And then what I'm going to do is pull it tightly, and that is going to give me how much he weighs. And you know what? I wasn't too far off. According to the weight tape, Timon weighs 1,149 pounds. Now again, this is just an estimate, but without having a horse size scale, the weight tape is a really nice tool for you to have to know how much your horse weighs. And it's really helpful for, like I said, for things like worming your horse, or if your horse is on certain medications or supplements, you can get a general idea of how much they need. It's also a really good idea to periodically check the weight of your horse to see if he is gaining weight or losing weight. Because if we're around our horses every single day, it's really hard for us to gauge if they're gaining weight or losing weight unless it gets pretty drastic. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope I've inspired you to go out and find out how much your horse weighs. But do me a favor first. Look at your horse and see how much do you think he weighs. Then get out your weight tape and see if you were pretty close. I'm actually pretty impressed with how close I was to knowing how much he weighs. That made me pretty happy. All right, well, I will see you in the next video, and we're going to do something else with Timon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, if you click that notification bell, you'll be alerted every time I have a new video come out. So hit the subscribe button, click the notification button, and I'll see you in the next video.